She calls out to the man on the street. Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I've nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me? He walks out, doesn't look back. He pretends he can hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and in paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street. He can see she's been crying. She's got blisters on the soles of her feet. She can't walk, but she's trying. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and paradise. Oh, think twice, it's just another day for you and in paradise. Just think about it. Oh, is there nothing more anybody can do? Oh, there must be something you can say. You can tell from the lines on her face. You can see that she's been there. Probably being moved on from every place, 'cause she didn't fit in there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and in paradise. Oh, think twice, it's just another day for you and in paradise. Just think about it. Think about it. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Paradise. Oh, just think about it. Paradise. Just think about it.